The electronic start-stop system, or ESS, is a fuel-saving feature in your Jeep Compass that automatically shuts off the engine when you come to a complete stop. When you stop at a traffic light or in traffic, the system automatically turns off the engine. When you release the brake pedal, the engine instantly restarts, allowing you to continue driving smoothly. In your Jeep Compass, you'll find the ESS off button near the gear shifter on your dashboard. This button allows you to manually disable the system when needed. You may need to reset your ESS system if you experience false activations, system failures, or after maintenance work like battery replacement, software updates, or electrical system repairs. The ESS system is closely integrated with your vehicle's battery management system. The intelligent battery sensor monitors battery health and charge levels to determine when the system should operate. A factory reset recalibrates the entire ESS system, resets the battery learning cycle so the system can relearn your battery's characteristics, and adjusts sensor thresholds for optimal performance. Now that you understand when and why you might need to reset your ESS system, let's explore the specific methods you can use to perform this reset. The first method is the manual button reset. This is the quickest and most common way to reset your start-stop system. Start your engine normally, then locate the ESS off button on your dashboard. It's typically found near the gear shifter area and may have an orange indicator light. Press and hold the ESS off button for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the system indicator light cycle, which confirms the reset is in progress. Finally, turn off the engine completely and restart it. This completes the manual reset process, and your start-stop system should now be recalibrated. The second method is the battery disconnect reset. This is more thorough, but requires basic automotive knowledge and takes more time. First, turn off your vehicle completely and ensure all electrical systems are off. Then, locate your battery under the hood and identify the negative terminal, which is marked with a minus sign. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal and wait 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the vehicle's computer systems to fully reset and clear any stored parameters. Reconnect the battery terminal securely, then start the engine. The system will need 2 to 3 drive cycles to fully relearn your driving patterns and optimize performance. The third method is the Uconnect System Reset, available on 2020 and newer Jeep Compass models. This uses the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Access the vehicle settings through your touchscreen, then navigate to Engine Settings. Look for the Reset Start-Stop System option in the menu. Select Reset Start-Stop System from the menu. Confirm your selection when prompted, and then restart your vehicle to complete the digital reset process. For optimal performance, perform one of these reset procedures every 12 to 18 months, or immediately after any battery replacement or major electrical work on your vehicle.